Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to get TikTok shop on iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you're using any device and want to access TikTok shop, I'll help you how can you get your TikTok shop. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your device, and now you have to go back. So guys, when I am going to open my TikTok app and going to find TikTok shop, as you can see here, then guys you can see there is no TikTok shop option. And when I am going to click on TikTok studio, then guys you will see also that shop is not showing here. So guys, how can you get this TikTok shop? I'll help you how can you get this. As you can see here, still not find TikTok shop. So guys, simply you have to go back and open your app store if you're using iPhone, and if you're using Android device you have to open Play Store and that phone, and here you need to search TikTok shop. So guys, when I am going to search here TikTok shop, you will see here is the TikTok shop seller central. So guys, you can easily get this by App Store or by Play Store on your phone, and easily you can access this. So guys, if you want to sell some things on TikTok shop, you can download Seller Central. And if you want to purchase by TikTok shop, you can purchase by TikTok app. You can find multiple shops here, and you can search any shop as you want, and after this you will be able to see products in your TikTok app. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.